Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like and comment, and let's get right into this video. So for today's video, I'm only doing a color change with a butterfly design, and I'm pointing to my nails because I was testing out some colors that I might have wanted to use. So right now I'm just using my coarse 5-in-1 bit and taking down the bulk and taking off my previous set of the St. Patrick's Day set that you can see in my profile, my channel. I have the video posted. So as you can see how easy this bit is taking off my previous set, I highly recommend a 5-in-1 coarse bit. It's really great for, like I said, taking down product or taking off an old design from your previous set. And now I'm just going in with my hand file to reshape my nails and take off any leftover top coat from my previous set. So now I'm just going in with my buffer and making sure that all my nails are smooth for my gel application. So after buffing my nails, I decided I wanted to do a spring design and use butterfly stickers on my ring finger. So I'm using my Nail Addict gel polishes, which are one of my favorite gel polishes, and I will give a link below on the products I used in this video. But here are the different colors, and I decided to use the yellow from my pinky finger, then the blue for my middle finger, the orange for my pointer finger, and the purple for my thumb finger. And then I just left my ring finger plain white so I could put the butterfly and a little bit of mylar glitter on top of it. And I'm sorry, I said they were butterfly stickers. They're actually butterfly decals. So I did have to cut them out and then put them in some water and then use my tweezers to take them out the water and then place them on my nail. But you will see that it was giving me such a hard time that I couldn't even put on the blue one that I wanted. And the ones that I were picking out were actually too big for the nail. So I had to go back in and just cut out some smaller ones so they can fit the nail. So here is where it began to wrinkle and was giving me such a hard time to straighten it out on the nail. And I tried to put it back in the water again to see if it would work, but it didn't. So I just gave up on it. And like I said, I just cut out another butterfly. And like I said, smaller butterflies so they can fit on the nail. I'm sorry I was out of frame trying to put lace on the butterflies, but they were giving me a hard time, as you can see. And so here I just put on some top coat around the areas for my nail and that I wanted to place the Mylar on. And so I take the clear Mylar and I just put it in those places. And so after placing the Mylars, I like the way they look. So now I'm just going in with my yellow Nail Addict gel polish and painting the pinky. And like I said before, then I go in with my blue nail polish and start painting the middle finger and so on because I have it in the order that I'm going to do it. And now I'm just going in with my second coat for all of the nails. So once I'm done putting on the second coat of the gel polishes, I cure them for 60 seconds. And now I'm just going in with my top coat and cure that for 60 seconds. So now I'm just taking an alcohol wipe and taking off the tacky layer. And then I'm going to be adding some cuticle oil. Now I love this oil very much. It smells amazing. And I got it off of Amazon. I'm not sure for how much, but I will leave the link below. And I'm just rubbing them into my cuticles. And these are the final look. Let me know what you guys think. If you like the video, please click the like button, comment, and subscribe. I want to hear you guys' feedback, so let me know what you guys think. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.